Hi, this is your Professor David Lane, and we want to go to the last week of the course, week 6, which is the ethical and the technological. The required book for this week is called Why I Don't Eat Faces. This is something I wrote many, many years ago, and somewhat controversial again, but raises the issue, and this is really the fundamental point I want to make, about thinking critically about issues that you would otherwise not think about. In this particular case, we'll be talking about veganism, vegetarianism, and the kind of foods that people eat. It's not really an agenda so much here as to make people think about things that they're not usually thinking about. So the required online readings here are The Singularity is Near, A Brave New World Revisited, and Technopanics. This is, of course, about the technological issues that will be confronting us in the future. In fact, even now, since everybody seems to have a smartphone and technology has really kind of taken over our lives. The required readings are Global Positioning and Intelligence, the Codex Funeral, which talks about how books are just not as popular as they used to be, the iPad and Kindle devices have taken over, and the future of informational memory. Required films are The Singularity, The Limits of Science, the Codex Funeral, Global Positioning and Intelligence, The Symmetrical Universe, Ahimsa, and Why I Don't Eat Faces, which is the film version of this particular book. Here you're going to write a 500-word or more critical essay on how technology will change or alter how human beings live and interact in the future. You can select one or more gadgets or breakthroughs to ground your article. Be sure to do your own research as well. Post your essay on your own personal website. You also have the opportunity, if you wish, to respond to Why I Don't Eat Faces and do a critical analysis if you want, or you can even do a pro analysis. The key, of course, is to be evidential and to make a very persuasive argument either way. Remember, the whole point of critical thinking is to actually think critically about subjects that you usually don't. It's also our ability to be potentially wrong. Okay, thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. Now, the final is going to be due February 13th. I've not yet posted it, but I will in about a week or two, just to kind of gauge how the class is going, and I'm just going to update some of the questions. And also, I highly recommend that you keep an eye on this website, because I will be adding extra credit and other things of such nature. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate you being in this class. That's it.